Hello friends, today we'll see the installation process of SpeedoTrack Premium 4G dash cam with GPS tracking. So in this product you will get two internal camera and optional external camera which records the outside of the vehicle and inside of the vehicle. So you will get two cameras. GPS tracking, SIM card, it supports 4G SIM card and 256 GB memory card for video recording. And it also supports live streaming. So this is SpeedoTrack 4G dashcam with GPS tracking. After installation you can see. Now you will open the SpeedoTrack mobile application. Here you will see the real-time location of the vehicle. Click on the live tracking and here you can see the live tracking of your vehicle on the map. Below you can see the status like engine status, GPS, signal, GSM level, etc., battery level. And you can switch to the Google hybrid mode in which you can see the satellite view. And there are more options like vehicle info, trip info, lock option, kilometer summary, reports, etc. So now we'll open the live functionality of the application. Click on camera, then click on live button and click on continue. So below you can see the position of the vehicle on the map, and on the top the video will start streaming. So you can see the video is streaming live. You can switch to full screen mode also, and there is a mic button by which you can have a talk with the passenger in the vehicle. It's just like a walkie-talkie functionality. Now you can see the position of the vehicle on the map below, and same you can see the video of that vehicle. It's a live video. You can switch the camera to internal camera and see inside the vehicle. So below you can see the vehicle on the map, and on the top you can see the live streaming. So today we'll install SpeedoTrack 4G dashcam with GPS tracking on Tata Safari Storm. So inside the box you will get SpeedoTrack Premium 4G dashcam and wiring accessories. So here you get dual camera device, SIM card support, SD card support. It's a 200 megapixel 170 degree wide angle camera, and the another one is the night vision camera. Then you get the SIM protection kit with temperature tape and sandpaper, wiring harness, mounting kit, panic switch or SOS button, power bank, cover for the SD card and SIM card, relay 12 volt and relay socket. Now let's see the installation process. For the installation you have to open the cover beneath your steering. So for the wiring we have to remove this coupler. Here we have to find out the continue power line and the ignition power line. So one by one we have to connect the red wire of the multimeter to all the ports and one black wire to the negative port. So here you can see in the yellow and green wire we are getting the 12 volt power supply. So that is our continue power line. So in this port you can see 12.58 volt is coming. green and yellow wire is the power wire. Now we have to make a jumper wire, connect the one to the green and yellow wire, which is the continuous power line, and we have to test it out with other ports. So in which port the dashboard lights turns on, it means that's the ignition wire. So you have to check one by one with the jumper wire. So the ignition wire is yellow color, solid yellow color. Now as you know, SpiroTrack does all the installation without any wire cut to prevent your warranty. So you will get the pin easily available in the market. So you have to use the same pin and do the wiring. So before the wiring, we have to mount the camera at a suitable position. So here we will mount here. Now we have to peel out the 3M tape cover and stick on the windshield. So camera is mounted like this, and the wiring is passed from the ceiling to the A pillar. Now we have to pass the wiring to the top ceiling and then from the side pillar. So now we have to pass all the wire like this. Now we have to connect the power bank wire also like this. So for the dismounting of camera, just slide the camera right side and it will dismount. Now we will insert the SD card and the SIM card. So we'll use the temperature tape provided in the kit to prevent the overheating of the SIM card, because it is installed on the windshield and many times SIMs get corrupted because of the heating issue. So we'll use the temperature tape like this. So now the SIM card is ready and temperature tape is properly stick. Now we have to insert in a proper direction. You can see the cut side is towards the down, so we have to properly insert like this, and you will hear the click sound, and the same is inserted properly. Now we'll install 256 GB class 10 SD card for more storage. Same, the direction is mentioned there. You have to insert like that. Now we will place the cover for the SIM card and SD card and tighten the screw. Now the relay wire is connected, and the ACC wire is the yellow wire from the device, so engine status wire. Red wire of the device and yellow wire of the relay is to be connected to the continuous power line, which was the yellow and green wire. Now we'll connect the body ground, the black color wire. And the white wire and the relay yellow wire is connected for the relay. And then the SpeedoTrack 12 volt relay is connected like. Now I will connect the panic switch, SOS switch. And then we will connect the coupler of the ignition switch. Then tie all the wires properly with the tie belt. And here we will place the panic switch or SOS switch. Now we will pack everything. So now we'll see the live video, and this is our premium camera with 200 megapixel resolution and 170-degree wide angle camera. So it does the job of two camera in one camera. You can see the wide angle of this camera, 170 degree. Generally the cameras available in the market has 90 degree. So you can see the coverage from the left to right side. And it has a very good image stabilization. You can see there is no jerk in the video. Everything is very perfect and smooth. can see the live video on the highway. It's capturing everything very perfectly. And it has a 4G SIM card, so the streaming is very clear without any buffering. And this is the internal camera. You can see all the person inside the vehicle is clearly visible, and the voice is also recorded with the video. This is the night vision camera, and you can see the recording at night times. It's dark outside, the video is good on the low light also. So in the low light the recording is also good. It's capturing everything. And this is completely dark inside the cabin. You can see the night vision camera with black and white image video. That's done.